Hi friends, so glad you're here today. I'm excited to share one of my favorite recipes, baked mushrooms with potatoes in the air fryer. Let's take 250 grams of white mushrooms. Cut them into nice, bite-sized pieces. Place the mushrooms into a deep bowl. Next, slice a red onion. Shallots or regular white onion will also work. Keep the pieces medium in size. Add the onion to the bowl with the mushrooms. Now slice 4 cloves of garlic into thin pieces. Add the garlic to the bowl as well. Next, let's add some sweet pepper. Use 2 small peppers or 1 regular-sized pepper. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe so we can cook together every week. Add the pepper to the bowl with the vegetables. Season with salt to taste. Add a pinch of dried oregano or your favorite herb. Sprinkle in a little paprika for extra flavor. Grind in some black pepper to taste. Cut a lime in half and squeeze out the juice. Lemon works just as well here. Drizzle with a little olive oil for a golden crust. And mix everything well. Spread the vegetables onto a sheet of baking paper. Make sure they're in a single layer. Pop them into the air fryer. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 15 minutes. Beautiful! They roasted perfectly. Pour cream over the vegetables. You can use regular or plant-based cream. Return them to the air fryer. Again, set it to 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 5 minutes. This is exactly the result we want. Wonderful. Now let's prepare the potatoes. Cut them into small chunks. Friends, tell me in the comments where you're from and how you cook mushrooms in your country. Add salt to taste. Add black pepper. Drizzle with a little olive oil for a golden finish. Place them into the air fryer. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, chop some fresh parsley or use any fresh herb you love. Wonderful! What an appetizing aroma. Place the hot potatoes on a serving plate. Top with the baked mushrooms and cream sauce. Sprinkle with fresh herbs. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. It helps my channel grow and inspires me to create more recipes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you try it in your kitchen. Share this simple, wholesome recipe with your friends. Take good care, friends, and see you in the next video.